Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you. How's it going, my friends? Welcome back to CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton, and today I'm going to be discussing a really interesting project that has so many points that I'm actually going to have to read off a couple that I listed off the bat just to give you an idea of what this project really is about. Today we are discussing BINANCE Multi-Chain Capital. Now, this is a really cool project. I will go ahead and tell you there is a lot of backup behind this project. I think this is a really great one, and let me go ahead and tell you I took some notes just to keep my thoughts in point. So basically, they invest into any promising farm projects early on. They also invest in solid, reputable farms. This is where the name FAAS comes from, the farming as a service. They invest in the hottest up-and-coming gaming tokens and ecosystems. GameFi sector will be the fastest growing of 2022, which I totally, of course, agree. I think that's really cool they do that. They are willing to expand and invest past just their own company, which I think will be a big success for them. And let's see, they build their portfolio with yielding NFTs. The NFT portfolios that most have in the their treasury, it is full of JPEGs and illiquid assets. They consist of mostly yield offering assets. Excuse me, I stole some of these sentences to use, and then they're building a launch pad for projects to launch on. They will be providing access to the resources and enabling a way for them to raise funding, and they will have, of course, a governance token, which I will discuss. That's coming soon, and it'll be available from staking their asset or by farming their asset and pairs. This governance token will form the main aspect of their DAO by holding it and using it for staking, thus allowing you to partake in actions and making requests. So, interestingly enough, the new era of DeFi 3.0 is begun with FAAS. What we do is bring capital back to holders through investments in L1 blockchain's FAAS products, which now we have a little bit of a better idea of what they do. Let's see here. So, we'll check out their Telegram. Looking all good on Telegram, 1,693 members, 2,000 and growing over on Twitter. This is actually them on CoinGecko, which is really great to see. You should see, past 14 days, they've been going up, so they're doing really well, despite the market being a little harsh recently. So that is absolutely great. Now, I will say, it's the perfect time to buy into a governance token like this one. And if I said, by the way, I maybe misread when I said it. The token, of course, is you can purchase the token now, actually. It is totally out. I think I might have said the governance token is coming. That was just a misspeak, excuse me. But again, great time to buy into this sort of a token. Even if this is not exactly the project for you, I think that you need to keep in mind any sort of project at this level, it's a great idea to put like 20 bucks in if you're a regular crypto investor, or, you know, if this is the project for you, go ahead and put in a little more. If it's not the project for you, I totally understand, but just keep that in mind that this is the best time to buy into a project like this, and this project wants to bring value to your tokens by investment, which is the best way to bring long-term value. So, that being said, here's BSC scan as well, by the way, just to check out a little bit of their transaction detail there. Then, of course, the extension of their BSC scan, we can see people actually buying different quantities, buying pretty large quantities, doing real well right now, just to show you there. They have been audited by GitHub, by the way, so this tech rate audit on GitHub. But yeah, so just so you see right there, they've been fully audited as well, which is really great to see. What is Bmcc and what do we do? Binance Multi-Chain Capital can be described as being a DeFi 3.0 solution, and then it explains in this article, which you can find on their Medium. Which, by the way, I will say they've got a really great, following. And interestingly enough, this last article was posted on my birthday, December 5th, so I don't know, good vibes, I guess. We can see here on LinkedIn as well, I have a lot of notifications, but past that, they have 20 followers and a lot of different people posting on there as well, which is really great. We can see additional information. Oh, excuse me, this is actually their light paper. I went over down here because I always double, triple check the official links. I always make sure that that's something that I am very adamant about doing. That way I'm not giving out the wrong links or clicking on the wrong ones. Now this just tells you a little bit about the project overview, telling you a little bit about the operations, as I sort of broke down in the first couple of points I made, breaks down pretty well. So 15% tax attributed to development, FA's buyback, reflection to BMC's token holders, and marketing 5%. You know my rule of marketing, 5% is perfect for marketing. You want to have a good percentage for marketing. 5% is very realistic. Not too much and not well too little at all. Now you can see you can actually buy it here on the Pancake Swap if interested. This is the live chart right here, and this is actually their what would you call this? The updated version of their dashboard. Excuse me, there we go. So of course you can, like, I was gonna say you can see, you might not have seen before, but they've updated their dashboard and they're continually working on updates as well to make sure things are as perfect as possible. Gives you a couple of the external links right here, which we already checked through, but I just think this is great. This is version 0.1, just to be clear. It even says beta, but just want to show you the potential of what this has. It's absolutely beautiful. Now let's check out the main websites. This shows you a little bit of a picture of this. So you got buyback, staking, GameFi, and FAAS. About us, Binance Multi-Chain Capital can be described as being a DeFi 3.0 solution. We do is bring capital back to holders through investments in L1 blockchains, FAS, farming as a service, projects. By partnering with the hottest up-and-coming new projects, we gain an advantage over the average trader finds the project after marketing's begun. So they're jumping on projects earlier than the big marketing push. They aim to provide knowledge and know-how to up-and-coming developers. They focus their market research on trends to stay one step ahead of the competition. Tokenomics, transaction tax details, 5% marketing, 5% development and investment portfolio, 5% reflection to holders. And then we see total supply right here is, let's see, million, trillion, billion, let's see, what's million, billion, trillion. So that is a trillion. Roadmap right here, Bmcc team created a strategic plan that defines goals and includes major steps. So 2021 Q4, first buyback, dashboard version 0.1, which we just saw, contract audit, which we did see, dashboard charts and reporting, which we saw, new website design, which we see right now, and FAAS initiation, which we also saw within sort of the dashboard, and we were just checking out as we go. Q1 of 2021, so they've already got CoinGecko, dashboard version 0.2 is coming soon, CoinMarketCap coming soon, team expansion, private sales coming soon, dashboard version 0.2, staking, white paper, GameFi strategic partner, Q2 of 2022 is dashboard version 1.0, expanding FAAS network coverage, Launchpad and BMCC network bridge. Then learn more in the light paper, which we did see the light paper, and that's just, again, just breaks down the points, which I did make most of in the beginning. We can see this is actually going to be mobile, which is so cool. Shows you the dashboard, but we did go ahead and look at that dashboard pretty thoroughly already. So read light paper, buy Bmcc, and hold is what they hope for you to do, of course. FAAS action below is the list of main investments made by the team. Now this list of main investments, of course, is going to be growing, so keep in mind that it is a newer company and they are expanding themselves in the investments. The investments are all new, so I totally understand. They are investing Diamond DAO and Midas DAO as well. NFT FAS, that is Meta Hero. Excuse me, Meta Hero, which is very cool, by the way, NFT project. And then this is the end of their actually official website. So anyway, as we saw, you can buy it right now if you'd like to. Again, the dashboard, very cool looking. You can kind of get an idea what's going on, what the market is, buy now, the FAS, and just to kind of click through, show you a couple more things. So I need to connect my wallet to get all of these things, but different pools, governance, staking, and P2E. Then the different networks as well that you can use, and of course external links, which we did check out. But my friends, I think this is a really fascinating project. Binance Multi-Chain Capital. Very interesting one. And, I would just say at the very least, if you're interested, I would check this out for myself. I always discuss it. Investment is the best long-term strategy. I am personally interested in investing into a company that's long-term goal is to invest to get me more money. So, as always, my friends, thank you very much for coming by CryptoCoins. My name is Freddie Colton, and I will see you in the next episode.